If you were a burger at McDonald's, you'd be called the McGorgeous. Not bad. Oh my god, that's so good! I at the edge of the raft, it's okay, but because it's on the edge of the raft. Oh my god. Excuse me. Nah. I know a girl who gets asked to insult a dude, really? Is she hot? Ooh, excuse me. Okay, I'ma hook things. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Jesus Christ, stop burping, Tam. You haven't eaten anything. Oh my god, sorry, stream. Rate that, please, chat, thank you.
Tagline is
Flyer also made me drink. Thank you. I appreciate your hydration information. I just burped and laughed at the same time. Can someone clip that just so I can hear what happened? Too kind. Honestly, my burps have been quite low par these days.